All of the development and destruction of trees, wetlands, mangroves, and more in Florida and elsewhere have been disastrous to wildlife, biodiversity, human health, and to the overall health of the environment. Biodiversity is rapidly disappearing all over the planet. People do not need to rely on government, a nonprofit entity, or something external to help the environment and themselves and change their use of their own lands and properties and make them friendlier to wildlife, to humans, to human health, to rivers, lakes, oceans, biodiversity, and the environment at large. Planting native plants and useful, beneficial trees counters some of the harm that has already taken place in Florida and elsewhere. Turning lawns, or at the very least, some sections of lawns, into native plant gardens attracts wildlife, including birds, bees, butterflies, ladybugs, and more. It adds beauty and color to areas. It helps absorb and filter rainwater. Planting trees also has many benefits. Trees can counter global warming. They provide shelter, shade, and food for all kinds of wildlife and people. Not all trees are created equal. Certain tree species provide far more ecological benefits than others in specific geographic locations. As long as people stay married to their harmful and destructive love for green lawns that require massive amounts of water, toxic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, the continued collapse of biodiversity, rising cancer rates, polluted rivers, lakes, and oceans will continue. All of the poisons and fertilizers people pour into the environment have to go somewhere. Green, useless grass that humans cannot eat is apparently more important than stopping rivers, lakes, and oceans from turning into toxic sewers, with manatees, dolphins, birds, fish, and other wildlife dying off.